Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today is all about the makeup I wore on holiday, how I did it really quickly, what products I took with me, and how I created this super quick, easy, fresh, minimal brushes, minimal products makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, carry on watching. Foundation. I took my barePro because I was going to take two and I thought, no, I'm not going to take two, that's silly. Let's just take one, this is nearly finished. I'm going to have to pour it out on my fingers, I think, because it's literally finished. I like to do that actually, take a foundation that is nearly finished, but you know it's going to last a few days. Look, that's completely, hold on now, see I'm not prepared, am I? Look at that, it's not meant to be like that, it's just meant to be a pump, okay? And I just, my skin, by the way, is horrendous, so don't mind it. Now, in the morning when you just want to get on with it, and for me, even in the bright lights, I just thought, oh my god, I look awful. But you get to a point where you're like, never mind, let's just get the stuff on. Come on. Really slapdash. Because also, you don't want to be buggering around with sponges and brushes and all the rest. So this I found, and as I was doing it, like you're looking at it now and you think to yourself, oh my god, this looks horrendous. But once it all settled in, it was really nice. Then I took the Infallible concealer, which I found went on so much better with fingers. So I use this as an eye base just to take out any of the redness and also to stop my what do you call it, sunscreen from running into my eyes, which happens if you've got oily lids. So yes, I know this is looking like, oh my god, don't worry, it's gonna be fine. Okay, I'll get this on like that around my nose. This is messy, but you know, I don't want to be messing around with sponges and what have you. Right, that's the concealer on. And the good thing about this concealer is it's self-setting, like the Tarte, so you don't really need to set it with anything. So I didn't bring a separate setting powder because I couldn't be bothered. Now, barePro, don't get me started. This has been reformulated and people don't like it. So, and I'm searching far and wide for the old ones. Why do they do that? Why do they reformulate things that were good? They say it's crumbly, that it's this, that, and the other. Oh, I love this powder. I take a big brush like that. That's what I took with me. I took with me 3 or 4 brushes. This one's, I've bought a powder brush. I'll show you the others. And then I just go over with my powder. Now this lasted all day. We'd come back to the hotel in the afternoon. I'd have a nap. I wouldn't need to do anything to my makeup. This has got a little sponge at the bottom. So all I used to do before we went out was just touch up my chin where I may have rubbed something off, or the end of my nose, or if I was really shiny, just pat it all over. It was fine. But my makeup looked amazing from 7 in the morning till 10 at night. So I'd go over my eyes as well, like that. Then I just brought the one palette, which was this, because I thought, well, it's got a blush in it, it's got bronzer, and it's got a highlight. I'm not bringing separate stuff, that's just not happening. So what I did was I brought this little brush and I blended it through the 2 bronzers like this. And I just bronzed my face, sides of my nose, under my lip. Like that. And then I brought a fluffy brush and I again go into both the bronzers and I just did my crease, you know, so I don't look like a boiled egg. Just like that. Bit of definition under the eye. I brought a small brush like this for blush. Put my blush on. I did do my eyebrows, which I suddenly forgot how to do my, you know when you're like, oh, I don't know how to do my brows. I did my brows, just quick with this Anastasia. Okay, you get the gist already. Then mascara. I got a new one of these. This is the Rimmel Thrill Seeker. And I just quickly get some mascara on. Oh, it's brand new, so it's not really, but there you go. I need to get some lash serum. My lashes are a bit... Okay. Then for lips, all I brought was one lip liner and one lip gloss. This lasted me all day. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This lasts all day. And then I just brought my Rimmel Glossy Cat Oh My Gloss because it's really moisturising. And like that. I brought my setting spray. And voila, that's it. This has been my everyday while I was away. Really quick to do. Then all you need to do in the evening is touch up with your powder, get your little sponge out, touch up wherever you need to touch up. Didn't really need to. Did if I had a nap and I'd slept on my pillow or something. Then for the evenings, add a bit of highlight onto your eyes or onto your cheeks, top up your lippy, and you're good to go. That's it, quick out the door. Just put it on, don't worry, because once you put that setting spray on, it all settles into place. My skin was an absolute mess and I'd put my makeup on and think, oh my God, this is just gonna look. But the minute the setting spray is on, it all comes together and it just looks really, really nice and juicy and it looked lovely on pictures. So there we have it. Yes, you've got grubby hands, never mind, wash them, it's fine. You don't wanna be washing sponges and all of that. So you wanna get out and enjoy where you're visiting. So that's my top tips to you. Hope you enjoyed it. Really like this look. It's quite fresh and easy to do. You don't have to put too much thought into it. And I shall see you in my next video when I'll tell you about what I brought with me to wear. Bye.